Today on Lone Star Grills, we're reverse searing a tri-tip and serving it with a vibrant, delicious homemade chimichurri sauce. You are gonna love this one. Let's start by making our homemade chimichurri. For best results, make this the day before. Begin with 1/2 cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, to choose from 1/2 lemon and 1/2 lime, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 3/4 cup lightly chopped cilantro, 1/2 cup fresh or dried oregano, 3/4 cup lightly chopped fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, 3/4 teaspoon fresh cracked black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can add a little more if you want a little more heat. Now just give it a few pulses with the blender, pour it into a dish, and set it aside in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. Now time to prep the tri-tip. This tri-tip weighs in at just under 2.5 pounds, and to trim it, all we want to do is work our way around and remove as much of the hard fat as possible on both sides. This will give us more clean surface for our rub to stick to and provide a much more enjoyable bite. Once done trimming, we'll coat the entire outside with olive oil and use your favorite coarse rub. Today, we're just going to use some Montreal Steak Seasoning. And be generous because this rub is going to give us more bark and more flavor on the outside. With our tri-tip all ready to go, it's time to fire up the Lone Star Grillz Pellet Smoker. We're going to do today's cook at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your cooker is fully preheated, go ahead and put your tri-tip on, get your probe in to monitor temperatures, close the lid, and begin cooking. Once your tri-tip gets to within about 12 to 15 degrees of your final finishing target temperature, it's time to remove it from the cooker and prepare for the sear. Just slide your sear plate over and switch your cooker to manual mode 100%. You can either do this from the controller or from the app. Now just close the lid to your cooker and allow it to preheat for searing for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then place your tri-tip directly over the searing area, flipping every 45 seconds. We want to hit each side twice, so a total of 1.5 minutes per side. Then remove it from the cooker and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Slice against the grain, dress it up with your chimichurri, serve, and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.